How to log in ING Bank app. Here's a clear step-by-step guide to log into the ING Bank app. Install the official ING Bank app from the Google Play Store. Open the app. Tap the ING Bank app icon on your phone. Select your country to connect to the right ING banking service. On the home screen, press the Login button. Then provide your registered client number or username and type in your password or mobile PIN. If supported, you can log in with fingerprint or Face ID for faster access. Some regions may ask you to confirm login with a card reader or TN code. Confirm the login request via SMS, app push notification, or authentication device. After successful login, your dashboard will appear. Review your two-factor authentication, alerts, and device settings for extra safety. Now you can view balances, transfer money, pay bills, or manage cards. Thanks for watching.